Hey guys, welcome back to Tuyablogs YouTube channel. As you can see, in my hand, I'm holding the third generation iPhone SE, which is released in the year 2022, and I just finished installing Apple's latest software, version 26, which was launched in September 15th this year, and I'm going to go through the details of this latest pretty looking iOS version 26, which is just like a jelly. And so stay tuned and let me know down the comments how this looks. First and foremost, I mean, wow, this looks like a truly, like you can see the languages popping up one after another, and I have no idea what are the languages. And I think this is a Tamil one, so let me just, this is my passcode. Sorry, you're not allowed to see my passcode. And voila, software update IOE version 26.0. Yep. Stolen device turn on. Yep, touch ID. Wow, look at this, bro. Look at this. This is my third generation iPhone SE 2022. This is the refurbished device, which I already uploaded my unofficial unboxing. You can check that out in the description. So, of course, continue. And this card later. Wow, and this card later. Continue. Don't share. Wow, look at this. Woo! Welcome to iOS 26, personalized phone with new looks for app icons. Wow, focus on what matters with liquid glass controls. Guys, you heard it. Liquid glass. Access menu option with controls that fluidly morph. I mean, I don't know about morphing. So search it's within reach and easy to access in apps. Okay, continue. Guys, this is amazing. Wow, this is truly liquid. Woo! This is truly liquid, man. As you can see, super. Let's look at the camera. The U camera design. Guys, this is truly impressive. Cameras, truly impressive. Wow. I am just let me know what you think. Truly liquid. How much they fluidly morph. They're saying that fluidly morph. I don't know what they are meant by the fluidly morph. Check out the settings. Thank you, Apple Corporation, for updating the software and software update, and its latest 2.6. So much clear, crystal clear, right? The banners. So that's the end of the video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.